Hello friends, welcome to Full House Flavors. Today we bring you a quick snacks recipe of spicy peanuts. A super healthy, tasty, spicy peanut recipe that you can enjoy as an evening snacks or with drinks, game night or for any get together, you name it. Roasted peanuts with onion, coriander, spices and fresh lemon juice is so irresistible. Just can make you drool over. It's very refreshing, quick to make and so yummy to taste. Ready in minutes, it's quick to make, so let's get started. So to start off, we are going to roast our peanuts and we are going to use here a little bit bigger peanuts, not the tiny one. This tastes better as this recipe. Roast it on medium heat with continuously stirring, and it cooks very fast. It doesn't need to be roasting for long, so I would say 3 to 5 minutes is good enough. And as you can see, the color started changing. It started becoming a little bit darker skin. And peanuts are an excellent source of plant-based protein, and it gives us a good mix of healthy fats and protein and fiber, and it's essential for our building and repairing body cells, so it's really good for our health. Now the peanuts are roasted well. Now you can already see it started splitting in half and the aroma is just amazing. So now while our peanuts are cooling down, let's go ahead and mix our other ingredients. So now in a mixing bowl, let's start adding up all the ingredients. We have taken here 1 small medium red onion finely chopped and ginger finely chopped, and we have taken here about 2 to 3 green chili finely chopped. It just adds up a really nice spicy flavor to the peanuts. And also a 1/4 spoon of red chili powder and 1/4 spoon of Amchur powder or mango powder, and same amount of chaat masala, 1/4 spoon, and a little bit of coriander leaves. We have also finely chopped these. Now let's add a little bit of oil to it so that it all mixes well. We have used about 1 to 2 spoon of oil, and we have used canola oil here, but you can use any oil of your choice. So now we have added all our ingredients, so let's give it a good mix, and look at the color is already coming out. The aroma is already so yummy. Now that it has all mixed up well, now let's add some salt to it. So now we are almost done. We'll give it a final mix, and now it's time to add our peanut. And now our peanuts have nicely cooled down, so let's mix it up. So this is real simple. Our spicy peanut is almost ready, and here at this point, if you like to add any of our other favorites nuts too, please go ahead, and you're free to experiment. In anything you mix in here, it's gonna taste out so good and yummy. This is one of the favorite snacks in our house, and do give this a try, and I hope you like our recipe. And no salad is complete without lemon, as I always say, so do give it a little squeeze of lemon juice, so give it a final touch. And a final mix, and our salad is ready, friends. Please do give it a try. I hope you like our recipes, and hope you like our other recipes on our channel. Please do not forget to like or subscribe if you like our channel. And thank you again for your comments and feedbacks. They're really very inspiring, and we'll try our best to put up another beautiful recipe coming up soon. And thank you for watching.